Hello everyone, from Istanbul, Turkey, the very downtown of Istanbul. I have this property that is right behind me, and right now I am in front of one of the block. It's ready to move in. We have 1 bedroom up to 4 bedroom properties eligible for Turkish citizenship via investment, and the property has a prime location, easy access to metro, tramway and metro bus. We are in Topkapı, Zeytinburnu municipality. Keep watching for the rest of the details. I am inside the living room of this luxury 2-bedroom apartment in Topkapı, Zeytinburnu municipality, Istanbul, European part, beside main public transportation. Here is 115 to 20 square meter gross square meter, a 2-bedroom apartment. As you can see, the sun is very important everywhere, and this living room is just bright. As we can see, the sun is hitting the apartment from each corner. My name is Mustafa, real estate agent in Istanbul for the last 10 years. Thank you so much for watching.